Hey there! Welcome to this week's grammar video for Unit 5, Blue Reading. In this lesson, we're going to talk about too much, too many, too little, too few, and the adverb to plus adjective. Let's get started. Some things you'll need to know before listening to this lesson. You'll need to understand the adverb to. You'll also need to know the difference between plural count nouns and non-count nouns. Again, in this lesson, we're going to talk about the difference between too many, too much, too few, too little, and the adverb to plus adjective. First, you'll need to know the difference between count nouns and non-count nouns. Again, count nouns are things that we can count. For example, 4 chairs, 5 cupcakes, 3 airplanes, 1 butterfly, 5 people. As a reminder, singular means there is only one count noun, and plural means there's more than one. Now, this is different from non-count nouns. In English, we have things like sand, money, water, fire, soda. We can't count these items, so they're non-count nouns. In English, we use too many and too much when the amount or the number is so big that it's a problem. Specifically, we use too many with plural count nouns. So looking at the photo on the left, we have there are too many blank. Well, looking at the picture, we know there are too many people in the car. On the right, we use too much with non-count nouns. So looking at the example, there is too much blank. Looking at the picture, we figure out there is too much cheese, or he is drinking too much coffee. Again, another important thing to remember looking at the example sentences. With plural count nouns, we need to use the plural form of the be verb, are, whereas with non-count nouns, we use the singular form, is. With too few or too little, the number or the amount is so small, it's a problem. Specifically, we use too few with plural count nouns. So looking at our pictures, we have the example sentence, there are too few blank. Well, we only have 6 desks, but we have 9 students. So there are too few desks. On the right, we use too little with non-count nouns. So looking at our pictures, here we have a picture of a man. This man is very thirsty. There's only a little water, and he wants more. However, there is too little water. Again, it's important to note the be verbs in each sentence. We use the plural form of the be verb with plural count nouns, and we use the singular form with non-count nouns. We also use the adverb to before an adjective to make the adjective stronger, and this is usually something negative. Here we have a few examples. It is expensive. So again, in this statement, the item is expensive, but I might be able to buy it. However, when I use to, for example, it is too expensive, well, that means there's a problem, and the item is so expensive that the person can't buy it. Another example, my coffee is hot. Okay, the coffee is hot, but that might be a good thing because some people like hot coffee. However, in another example, my coffee is too hot. When we add to, that makes the adjective hot much stronger, and now it's a problem, so something negative. As a reminder, we won't usually use to with positive adjectives. Again, because the adverb to before an adjective usually means something negative, so it sounds a little strange with positive adjectives. Now, let's take a practice quiz. As always, pause the video, answer all the questions. Once you've finished, press the play button and we'll talk about your answers. Question 1. There are only 2 teachers and 100 students. There are blank teachers. Again, here we can count teachers, and we know we do not have enough teachers, so D is the correct answer. Question 2. I love Paris, but I was there for blank time. I need to go back. Again, time is something we cannot count. And if I need to go back, I didn't spend enough time there. So C, too little, is the correct answer. Question 3. I can never have blank money. I always want more, more, more. Again, because I always want more, that means I can never have too much. So A is the correct answer because money is non-count. Question 4. I don't like a lot of Indian food. It's blank. So here I'm describing Indian food with the adjective spicy. So we know if we put to before the adjective, it makes it stronger. So A is the correct answer. Question 5. I need to throw away some of my clothes because I have blank. Again, I have clothes. If I need to throw them away, the problem is I have too many. So B is the correct answer. Question 6. I usually stay inside in the summer because it is blank outside. Again, we're talking about describing the temperature outside. So we use an adjective hot. We can make the adjective stronger using to. So C is the correct answer. That's it for this lesson. I hope it was useful. Class dismissed.